Hi folks, sorry that this email is getting you so late in the day, just a few things had come up. Anyway, so if you want to take your photo using a webcam on your laptop computer, I'm just going to walk you through how to do that. I figured that might be easiest. So the first thing I'm going to do is go down to this little bar down here where it says type here to search, and I'm going to type in webcam, and this camera app here comes up. I'm going to click on that. So now you can see me in my kitchen. I'm just going to move over because this is a nice white space. And I'm going to take my picture. Okay. I don't know if that's... There. Okay, and I'm going to take my webcam off. And then I'm going to go to where those photos save to. So that's going to be the tricky part, is just knowing where those photos save to. So in my case, it's pictures. And I believe it's camera roll. And right here, here's my picture. So what I'm going to do next is go to, so you can see it here, there are 3 little dots over here, and I'm going to click on copy, which will copy the picture. And then I'm going to go down to my email, which might not be the same way that you're going to access your email. You might have to go through Office 365, or you might have the template right on your main screen like I do. And I'm just going to show you here. So I'm going to click new email. And okay, I'm going to copy it. So you can copy it in a couple ways, or paste it rather. We already copied the picture, now we're going to paste it. So you can do it this way. You can also push the control button on your keyboard. CTRL, that's the control button. And at the same time, if you press the letter V, that will also paste whatever it is that you copied beforehand. So this is my picture, and I'm just going to double check it here. You can see that's exactly what we're wanting to send. So I'm going to go back into that email. And I'm going to type it to amanda.rizzo@nscc.ca. And I'm just going to type in that and hit send. So the only thing is this photo isn't great. It probably wouldn't pass. See it? It's sent already. Yeah, it probably wouldn't go through the approval by Kara because there's a lot of things that aren't really right about this photo. For one thing, my head is cut off at the top. So if you are taking it with your webcam, it might be a little bit trickier to get what you need to get. But if you're not sure and you think, you know, things might be okay, just send it to me. And if I think you need to retake it, I will let you know. Okay? Thanks, folks. And I will see you next week. Enjoy your weekend.